We're going to do a little repair job today. I've been told this is ridiculously easy to do, so I ordered one online for $48, I think it was, and I'm missing my 5.5 or 5.5 millimeter socket, so I had to go buy for 20 bucks a new socket thing. Anyways, I gotta take this off, but the problem that we're having, and you'll see here in a second, I have the wiper shut off, and they are on permanent delay. And it's like the long delay, the lowest setting of delay. So you can see how it just went. So my wipers are super squeaky, so I had to pull the wipers right off because I couldn't stand listening to it. So I just got the thing in the mail yesterday, and I want to go ahead and put it in there. Some of you guys are wondering, Jesus Fitz, where have you been? I haven't seen a video in forever. I'll get to that in another video, but I have a bunch of stuff coming out, a bunch of repair videos or Bobcat stuff. I bought a mini excavator that I've been working on. I have fixing the Bobcat had some issues with the AC. All sorts, water pump, all sorts of stuff. I have all these videos that I just have not posted yet. But like I said, I'll get to the reason why I haven't been posting videos in a while, and try to get myself back on track. So hopefully, this is a 5.5. That's a 6. Oh boy. 5.5. There we go. I'm going to turn this off. I understand. It's just these 4 bolts or 3 bolts to hold the bottom of the steering column cover on, and then a couple of screws, I think. One more. Clip or something? I don't know what's going on there. Or he said he had to get a screwdriver in there, I think. No. Oh, okay. That thing's got to come off. Let me work on this with 2 hands. Back in a second. Alright, well, I was kind of freaking out because you got to pull that screw out to get this handle out, and the steering wheel's in the way. I didn't realize it, but you can get to them all when you turn the wheel sideways. And it's a T10 to get to this screw. And I don't know, I think I got to get to that other one, but I'm not positive. I don't know if I got to pull off the, hang on a second. Okay, first thing I did was pull the foot pedal adjuster off, and then this just pulled right out. It plugs in there. Uh-oh, no, it's the same. I was gonna say it looks different, but it doesn't. So with any luck, this way, further down in. What do I gotta do here? Right here. There. With any luck, when I turn the key on, this won't turn. I'm gonna make sure they're off. Off. Please don't turn. Ah, oh, turned. Oh wait, nope, that turned off. Okay, let's see if it does it. First of all, let me see if it works. Okay, so that works. Now, because that was just, I must have shut the key off when it was in the up position, because it just went back down. Hopefully it doesn't do it. Good, I think we're good. The other thing that didn't work are my windshield washer squirts. They only worked when I turned the wipers to the on position and then hit squirts, and only sometime. You're supposed to be able to hit these no matter what and have them work, so let's see if this works. Yep, they do. Yep, okay, they do. And the wipers move. Alright, cool, I think that fixed it. Apparently, these go bad here. Oh, I got this on still. Apparently, these go bad. It's a known thing. I just Googled 2011 Ford windshield wiper, and the very first one filled out the rest of it. Comes on, you know, whatever, intermittent, and that was it. So, for $48, 3 days, got another one in the mail. So that should be a super easy fix. Like I said, it's a T10 for the bolts here, or for the two little screws here, and then it's a 5.5 millimeter for the 3 screws that hold this on. And those are the only tools. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I highly doubt it. Oh, stay there. Nailed it. Don't try to over tighten these things. They're really, really tiny, very coarse thread. You just gotta cinch them up. It's only going into plastic. Come on, hands. There you go. All right, then what was this? This is. Just realize how dirty this truck is. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Anyways, that's gonna do it. You know what to do. Put this back together, put your screws in, it's all done. So hopefully if you guys have this truck, that helped you out. So that'll do it for this one. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. And I will tell you why I haven't been making videos, or I haven't posted a video in a while, but that'll be coming up in a future video. So back to you in a bit.